As I mentioned, this is the second day of us doing this lesson, so we're jumping right at example number 2. We did solve it in example 1 yesterday with your partner. So now, example 2, many states have a meal tax that is proportional to the total spent on food and beverages. In one state, the meal tax is 8.44%. How much tax will a customer pay if the food and beverage total is $54? So you can draw a diagram if you want, but we're talking about a small amount, 8.44, and the whole amount would be 100%. So if we're doing the equation that we've been looking at, what we can say is we've got 8.4% over 100 equals our part to our whole. Our whole bill was $54. So we're trying to find out how much they're going to pay. How much will a customer pay if the food and beverage total is 54? But we're just looking for how much tax. So we can cross multiply and we can figure out, or we can use our equation that we did the other day or yesterday, part equals percentage. So just make sure you write your percentage as a decimal. So I'd move that decimal 2 spaces, so it's 0.00 times 54. So we could line this up and do 54 times 0.0844, and we could multiply that out. Okay, so when we do that, I'm assuming you all can multiply those numbers out. I'm not going to do that in my head, so I'm just going to quickly grab a calculator. We're going to do 54 times 0.0844. So it becomes 4.5576. So obviously that's not what they're going to ask you to pay. So that's going to be rounded to $4.56 in taxes.